Salesforce, 9,000 customer support workers, now 5,000. Klarna, 700 employees, gone, replaced by one AI agent. Meta, 7,000 people, reassigned. Cloudflare, 1,100 laid off. The CEO's reason? Quote, the agentic AI era. This is not a prediction, this already happened, and it's accelerating faster than anyone is saying out loud. Here's what nobody is telling you. This isn't about AI taking your job. That's old news. What's actually happening right now, in 2026, is something far bigger. AI agents aren't filling positions, they're making entire company structures obsolete. We're not talking about a robot doing your task. We're talking about a system that can run research, close sales, handle support, write code, manage projects, and report results, all at once, for a fraction of what one junior employee costs. And the companies that figured this out first? They're not hiring anymore. They're winning. Let's be very clear about what's happening. In the first quarter of 2026 alone, the tech sector shed nearly 80,000 roles. And for the second month in a row, AI was the number one reason cited by executives for those cuts. Not a slowdown, not restructuring, AI. BCG just published research showing that AI will reshape more jobs than it replaces. But reshape is a corporate word. Let me translate that for you. The job you have today will look completely different in 24 months. And the people who don't adapt will simply not be needed. This video is your warning and your opportunity. Let me show you exactly what's happening with real companies. First, Klarna. The Swedish fintech company deployed a single AI agent to handle customer service. That one agent now does the work of 700 human employees. Not because the humans were bad at their jobs, because the AI is faster, cheaper, and available 24/7 in 37 languages. CEO Sebastian Siemiatkowski didn't announce this quietly. He announced it as a competitive advantage. Next, Salesforce. 1 year ago, 9,000 people in customer support. Today, 5,000. 4,000 roles quietly absorbed by AI agents that never take sick days, never need training, and process tickets in seconds. Then there's Meta. In May 2026, Mark Zuckerberg announced the elimination of 10% of the total workforce, with an additional 7,000 employees being relocated to AI-focused initiatives. And Cloudflare's CEO put it plainest of all. These cuts are about how a world-class company operates in the agentic AI era. But here's where it gets interesting. While these companies are shrinking their human headcount, a completely different type of business is emerging. One where a single person, one operator, one human, runs a company generating millions of dollars, using AI agents as their workforce. Let me show you the proof. Peter Levers. One person, 0 employees, over $3 million per year in revenue. His company runs on AI, automation, and tools he built himself. He is not the exception. He's the early version of what millions of businesses will look like by 2028. Then there's the Scientific American experiment. Researchers built a company with 2 co-founders and 3 employees. Every single one of them was an AI agent. The company operated, communicated, made decisions, and generated results with 0 human operators. This wasn't a lab simulation. This was a functioning business. And Cognition's Devin, the AI software agent that raised $1 billion at a $26 billion valuation, can plan, write, debug, and deploy code autonomously. Not assist a developer, replace one. Multiple companies are already reporting 40 to 50% reductions in their engineering support functions because of agents like this. Now let me show you the stack. The AI agent businesses running today typically use Claude Opus or GPT 5.5 as the reasoning brain, Make or Zapier for workflow automation, AI customer service agents for support, AI coding agents for product, and a single human, the operator, sitting at the top directing strategy. Total cost to run this system, roughly 2 to 5% of what a traditional team costs. Here's why this matters for you specifically. McKinsey's latest data shows 62% of companies are already experimenting with AI agents. 75% plan to deploy them by the end of 2026. 40% of all business applications will feature autonomous agents within months. And entry-level white-collar jobs, customer service, data entry, basic coding, content, admin, are absorbing the first and largest wave of displacement. The question is not whether this is happening. The question is, are you the person who gets displaced or the person who builds the system that displaces? Because there are two sides to every AI revolution: the side that gets replaced and the side that does the replacing. Right now in 2026, the gap between those two groups is still narrow enough to cross. If this video changed how you see what's happening, subscribe to Orion AI. Every week we break down exactly what's moving in AI, what it means for your business, your income, and your future. And if you want to see how to actually build an AI agent system for your own business, that video is right here. I will see you there.